Hey, welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we are using Pantone's 2019 Color of the Year, Living Coral, to make some geometric wall art. First thing we should do is sand this 2x4 sheet of plywood so we can have a smooth surface to apply paint. Sand down your plywood using a block and some medium grit sandpaper. Make a mark 4 inches from the top and 3 inches from the side. Do this on both sides and connect those two marks with a straight edge. This will be the top edge of your triangle. This line is 18 inches long. Find the center of it. Hint, it's 9 inches. Draw a line straight down from that, 16 inches, and make a mark. Now connect all 3 marks to make your first triangle. From each original mark, measure down 8 inches, and then connect all those marks. This will give you your second triangle. Now repeat this same process 2 more times to have 4 complete triangles. We are painting the first 2 triangles using a foam brush. Outline both triangles using painter's tape. Use a knife to cut off any excess. An easy way to make stripes is by covering the entire thing in tape and then removing every other piece. Now, start painting. Wait till your paint's dry before peeling your tape off. If you want to use spray paint, tape off your triangles in the exact same way as before. Then cover up the rest of the plywood to protect against any overspray. We used paper towels. Apply the spray paint in an open space. Hold the can 6 to 10 inches away and use light and even coats to prevent any running. Make sure the paint is dry before moving on to the next triangle. You can see why it's important to make light pencil marks. We screwed up, and like grade school students, we had to burn through our erasers removing our marks. So much, in fact, that we actually had to switch to sandpaper to remove the marks. That's a simple project you can do at home with very simple tools. Check us out at dimensionsdiy.com for more project ideas.